Hello viewers, thanks for watching our videos. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe. So here, the story of Nachiketa is from this book. What is that? Kathopanishad. The famous languages in the Indo-Aryan family are Sanskrit, Hindi, Bengali and Marathi. The boat houses in Srinagar are called as dongas. The fields are ploughed and sowing is done in Europe during this season, spring. In a handloom sector, the two states that occupy the first and second places in India are West Bengal and Andhra Pradesh. The most powerful Chola ruler, Rajaraja I, became the king in 985 AD. The book that describes the worship of Mailara and many mother goddesses in Warangal is Kridabhiramam. The Thar desert occupies much of western Rajasthan. The origin of this art is associated with the Virashaiva movement, Burrakatha. The Dalit leader who called upon Dalits to call themselves as Adi Andhras, Bhagyareddy Varma. A law that made it compulsory to give official information was made in this year in Rajasthan, 1995. The person who conducted tests and one-day international matches unofficially for 2 years under the banner World Series Cricket is Kerry Packer. Kerry Packer. The fourth stage in disaster management is mitigation. Russia followed the Julian calendar until 1st February 1918. Lal Bahadur Shastri was the Prime Minister of India during this period, 1964 to 1966. After a long howl of military dictatorship, Nigeria elected a democratic government in this year, 1999. In the year 2005, the average amount spent on education on each student by the government in Indian states and Himachal Pradesh were respectively 1049 rupees, 2005 rupees. Normally, the temperature in the oceans lies in between -2 degrees Celsius to 29 degrees Celsius. This person who complimented on the basis of iron, coal and textiles, Britain built up a type of civilization which has been copied by the whole world. Fisher. The Communist Party of India was founded in the year 1920. The social studies lessons like rights approach to development and abolition of Jamindari system are developed on the basis of this theme, social organization and inequalities. After completing the lesson, folk religion, the teacher observed these behavioral changes among students like empathy towards others and respecting others' cultures and traditions. It indicates the impact of this academic standard, appreciation and sensitivity. Among the following, this is not applicable to achieve the aims of teaching social studies at primary level. Developing the concept of regionalism. As per this chapter and section of 40 Act 2009, the SCRT is the academic authority to develop syllabus and evaluation procedures at state level. Chapter 5, Section 29 2. Among these statements, this is not applicable to the aims and objectives of teaching social studies. Aims are short-term goals, objectives are universal. Evaluation is a continuous process. It can judge how far learning objectives are achieved and how effectively teaching learning experiences are provided. This is the opinion of RSS Party. This teaching technique is more suitable for meaningful learning about the lesson post office, field trip. To teach the topic rivers in Andhra Pradesh, this map is suitable physical map. The activities like identifying the unit-wise expected outcomes and conducting formative assessment are related to these phases of teaching, pre-active and post-active phases. The activities like completion of information tables, display the social issues on wall magazine and drawing maps etc. are reflections of this aspect. Written works.